Now, kings and queens, this little container you could pick up at the Dollar Tree. It's pretty big. And when I saw they had the marble print, I had this for a while. I was so excited. If you can't find a marble print, they have other prints too. So this is my little snack pack bag. It's just better to get all the boxes out. That way you can see what you have, grab it, make your lunch instead of stopping to buy something that's unhealthy and wasting money. So I got all these little snacks here. And so I'm just throwing them in here. You know, and set them up. Now these they gave to us on the plane. Y'all know, if y'all don't eat y'all snacks on the plane, save them for your snack pack. Make a lunch or something. Throw it in your lunch bag. This is just some of the stuff I had left. And some of the stuff I'm just adding to it. It just make it real simple and convenient. Look how big this is. This is a good way to get organized too, kings and queens. Know exactly where everything is. So this is pretty full. I'll probably organize it so I can see what I have in there. Also, this back here I picked up at the Dollar Tree. 3 more containers to get organized with for my pantry. I did a major grocery shopping haul, kings and queens, because this summer I was just eating out a lot, not cooking as much as I used to. And so I did an inventory of my finances and my health. And I said, girl, get back to cooking, save you some money, and let's get these pounds that I gained off. So let me just let me try to angle this camera here. So I got some whole wheat spaghetti because I got enough stuff to prep my pantry. I told y'all I was really trying to get my pantry together. You know, it's getting cold and we want to be prepared for any emergency. Yeah, I know they might lock us down, who knows. But yeah, I linked the other pantry videos I had as well. So pasta filled up. Let's get the rest of the stuff going. So I already had this in my pantry. I did all these. Y'all can see it in the last pantry video. Now this container from the Dollar Tree could hold 4 bags of beans. So I'm gonna add another bag in here. So I got 1 in here already. Add another one. As you can see, 2 bags is like that. So eventually I get it filled up. I had bought some more rice, but the rice one is filled up already. So I mean, I eat more rice than the pinto, so I could use that soon.